know that the contractors have been selected because of your proven experience and capacity to do what you're required to do, to be able to get the customers, the end beneficiaries of the resources connected. All
I'm saying to the contractors is I do not expect that you are going to import wooden poles and concrete poles, for example. I expect that you are going to pick all this within country. And I hope there is representation from the Wood Manufacturers Association so that they are listening to this. And please ensure we get quality material so that we do not end up replacing the materials that we will have just planted into our network in less than 1 year. And for your information, we are looking at about 391,000 wooden poles